Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair your Galactic X drone with its remote control. First thing you want to do is make sure the battery inside is fully charged, and make sure that your remote has 6 fresh AA batteries in the back. Then you're going to make sure that your power switch here is turned off, as well as the one on the bottom here. When you're ready to pair, turn it on, your lights will flash. Set it on a flat surface. Then turn on your power switch, it'll beep at you. Press your joystick up, then down. Then double check if your lights are now solid and illuminated on the bottom. You're good to start flying. Then we're going to press the start button. That'll initiate the flight. That's all there is to it. Hopefully you found this helpful. And as always, everybody, please don't forget to like and subscribe.